Good evening and welcome back to PA Street Team. For those of you that are new here, my name is Derek. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and also that notification bell so you can keep up with my latest content. Also, make sure to check out my merch at the link below in the description. PA Street Team shirts in the logo, the standard logo that I'm wearing right now, and also two different versions of the graffiti design that we had created for kind of an homage to the graffiti wrap that's on the R32 right now. So make sure to check those out, and let's get started with today's video. I am currently in Edders, Pennsylvania. It is Sunday evening. It's about 6:30. This is the third event that I've done today, so I'm a little bit exhausted, but I want to keep pumping out content for you guys. It is another brothers meet, and it starts in about a half hour officially, and cars are starting to roll in now. So we're going to go take a look and see who comes out this evening. There were a ton of events going on today, so I'm not sure if that's going to be more people or less, but we're going to find out together. Let's go take a walk.